What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I received from Be Quiet. So Be Quiet was nice enough to send me one of their Be Quiet straight power 11 850 watt 80 plus platinum power supply. Yes guys, you guys heard that right. Not bronze, not gold, platinum. Now today real quick I want to share with you guys some of the specs, and then I'll do a quick unboxing, and after that we'll test this power supply with my X570 test bench, and we'll see how this power supply perform. Now the main reason why I'm excited, because I'm planning on buying the new NVIDIA RTX 3080 graphics card, and I needed a good power supply because as you guys know, for RTX 3080 you need minimum power supply, I believe 750 watt. So I want to go with like 850 watt, you know, just so I have enough room. Now I'm also planning on building another gaming PC just for RTX 3080 graphics card. Alright, so today real quick, let's do a quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys what this power supply comes with. Now before I do the unboxing, I just want to give you like a basic spec rundown. So this power supply is 80 plus platinum. This power supply comes with 94% efficiency rating. This power supply also comes with 5 years warranty. Now the price tag is a bit high. The price tag is around $190, but keep in mind price does fluctuate. Also this power supply is really quiet, comes with silent wing 3 fans. Now this power supply is also fully modular, so you really don't have to worry about cables running all over. So whatever cable you don't really need, you can just put on the side and you can use the cables you need. This power supply also have wire-free design. So basically inside the power supply on the DC side there is no cable, basically good for cooling airflow. And if your power supply stay cool, then your power supply will last longer. Now let's not waste any more time. Let's jump in and do a quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys what this power supply comes with. Alright guys, so real quick I'll do a quick unboxing for you guys. So sorry if the angle is kind of off. My desk is kind of small. Alright, so we have here Be Quiet straight power 11 850 watt 80 plus platinum power supply here. And let's just open the box for you and show you guys what this power supply comes with. After you open the box, you will find the user manual, straight power 11 platinum user manual, and also some other power supply Be Quiet have on their premium lineup. Let's pull the power supply out real quick. Oh, I think I ripped the bubble wrap. Oops, sorry. Alright, take the power supply out. So here you guys can see the power supply right here, and the build quality is really good guys. Any product from Be Quiet, like I review like 2 of their other power supply and I think 3 cooler from Be Quiet, and I believe 2 or 3 case, their build quality always on point. So you guys can see right here the design is really nice, and does come with 135mm silent wing 3 fan. So here you guys can see you have all the connection for your modular cables, so you can actually plug the cables you need and you can just leave the cables out, the ones you don't need. So under drives you have 1 2 3 4 connectors here. So this power supply comes with 4 SATA and I believe Molex combined. So altogether this power supply comes with 11 SATA plug and 4 Molex plugs. I'll show you guys the cables. And then here we have 1 2 3 4 connectors for your VGA PCI cables for your graphics card. So this power supply comes with 4 8-pin VGA plugs. Right, and guys, real quick, editing Sunny is here to fix one of his mistake. So basically I told you guys these 4 modular connection is for graphics card. Actually no, the top 3 PCI 1 2 3 for your graphics card. So you will actually get 4 8-pin PCI VGA plug for your graphics card, and 2 here bottom for your CPU 8-pin plug right here. So basically with this 2 modular connection you will get 2 8-pin CPU plugs. And then here we have a motherboard 24-pin connector, this one and this one. Alright, now let's look at the power specs. All right, so under DC output 12 rel, we have total amp 70.8 amp. So that's really good. You can actually plug and power almost any graphics card. And then under max combined power, you have 849.6 watt. And here we have power on and off switch and the power cable connector right here. On this side, Be Quiet logo. All right, so let's look at the cables real quick. Put the power supply on the side. On the right side, we have all the SATA cables and the motherboard 24-pin cable right here. Okay, so like I told you guys, this power supply comes with 11 SATA plugs and 4 Molex plug. All right. All right, so on the left side, we have cables for the graphics card and the CPU. So like I told you guys, this power supply comes with 4 8-pin BGA PCI plug for the graphics card, and also comes with 2 8-pin CPU plugs for your motherboard. All right, and the last thing we have here. Nice. So the last thing we have here, the main power cable for the power supply, and I believe this power cable is 18 gauge. Yes, 18 gauge. So that's a good power cable right here. And you have some zip ties right here and some mounting screw. All right, so let's plug this power supply to my X570 test bench and see how this power supply performs. All right, guys, so everything's set up right now. You guys can see I just plugged the Be Quiet straight power 11 850 watt 80 plus platinum power supply to my X570 test bench right here. Currently I don't have RTX 3080 graphics card, but I'm testing this power supply with my GTX 1070, and the CPU I have here AMD Ryzen 5 3600, stock clock speed, not overclock. And then I have 8 gigs of RAMs just for testing purpose. So while idling, the system only pulling 52 watts from the wall. And you guys can hear the fan noise while idling. So microphone is like 4 inches away from the power supply fan. I'm like 3 inches right now. Okay, so let's start the benchmark. We will stress the power supply with superposition benchmark and 1080p extreme. All right, so benchmark is starting, loading right now, and the system right now pulling 85 watts, 72 watts from the wall, 190 watts, 203 watts, and the benchmark is currently running. All right, now you guys can hear the power supply fan noise. So my microphone is like 4 inches away from the power supply right now. This power supply is really quiet, guys. Like I'm literally 4 inches away from the power supply right now. You guys can see the benchmark is running. And now let's look at the wattage. So system currently pulling 204 watts, 206. And the power supply is really quiet. So again, I'm like 4 inches away from the power supply. Okay, from here. So currently I'm like 10 inches away from the power supply, my microphone. The only noise maybe you guys are hearing, the CPU cooler fan noise. Yeah, right here CPU cooler fan noise, graphics card noise, and here power supply noise. Again, we are 4 inches away from the power supply. We're pulling 205 watts from the wall, 207, and we are still running the benchmark. Alright, so the benchmark is done. You guys can see the benchmark score here, 3,377, 1080p extreme. And here's the specs. Now overall guys, Be Quiet Straight Power 11, 850 watt, 80 plus platinum power supply is good for the money. If you guys are planning on buying NVIDIA RTX 3080 or 3090 graphics card, you can't actually go wrong with this power supply. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any question, please leave your question in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. See you guys next one. Peace.